Hey everyone, today we are solving LeetCode problem number 1496, path crossing. In this problem, we are given a string path where path I is going to have N, S, E, W, these four characters, and all of these four characters represents the north, south, east, west direction respectively. Okay, and we are going to start from origin as 0, 0 on a 2D plane and walk according to the path specified in the path. And we have to return true if this path crosses itself at any point, otherwise we have to return false. Okay, let's try to understand using a simple example. Let's consider NES as our path variable. So we are going to start from 0, 0. Our first character is N. It means we have to move 1 unit in the north direction, which is up direction. So we will be at 0, 1. Okay, now next character is E. It means move to east direction 1 unit. Now we will be at 1, 1. So this is our path. Now it is S, south direction, which is down direction, down 1 unit. We will be at 1, 0. Here the path is not crossing itself because we have gone through three points 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Any of the point is not getting repeated. It means we are not crossing it. Okay, now let's move to the second example. NES, north, east, south. Similar. Then we have two west. West means left direction. 1 unit west. We are at 0, 0. But that point is already visited. It means we have to return true. In our previous example, we are going to return false. If it is crossing itself at any time, if you are at a location that you have previously visited. Okay, so we can get the idea that if we are at a point, that point is already visited, it means we are going to return true, otherwise false. So it's going to be pretty simple. So what do? We can first of all we will iterate through this path string, and we will keep on checking that our new point has already been visited or not. To track that, we can use set. So in the set, what you are going to store, you can store in any way. First of all, you are at 0, 0. So you have to add this point to set. It's up to you how do you want to add. Let's say we can convert this to this string 0 hyphen 0 x value hyphen y value and add this string to the set. Or the next time you're going to add 0 hyphen 1 in the set. Next time 1 hyphen 1 in the set, and then 1 hyphen 0. So these three are visited. If we are going to enter w again, let's say if we want to visit it, let's say if we want to visit 0 comma 0 point again, we will check whether 0 hyphen 0 string is already present in the set or not. If it is already present, it means that we are crossing our path and we can directly return true. And if every character is checked and we have reached to the end of this path, we can directly return false because the complete path is covered and we have not crossed our previous pointer. Okay, so what we are going to have is, so what we are going to do here is, first of all we have to capture all of these direction in a map. Let's say east, west, north, south. For east, we are moving one direction in x, so 1 comma 0. For west it is minus 1 comma 0. For the north it is 1 unit up 0 comma 1. For south it is 0 comma minus 1. So earlier we are at, let's say we are at x and y. So according to these characters we can add these value to our xy to get the next point to this xy. And in this way, we are going to check. Apart from this map, we are going to have a set to store previously visited point. Okay, let's quickly code this problem. You will get more understanding of that. First of all, I have taken a map which is mapping each direction to to integer array, which will be used to find the next point. So now we have to iterate over each character in the path. Each character. Now we have to get the direction. Map dot get ch. Let's say our initial point is int x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and we are taking a set for the visited. And visited dot add x plus y. X hyphen y is already visited. So we'll get our updated x value. X plus d of 0, y equal to y plus d of 1. So we'll check whether this updated value is already visited or not. Visited dot contains string x hyphen y. Let's extract this to a separate variable, string key equal to this. If this key is already visited, it means we have to return true. Otherwise, we are going to add this key to our set. And once we have covered all the direction point characters, we are just returning false. Okay, let's try to run our sample test cases. It's not set, it is visited. Sample test cases are passed. Submitting the problem. Submitted successfully. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you guys.